I have a question for you guys, and we need to have a very serious conversation today. I want to clarify your mind and put things in perspective for you. So, why do I still see some of you guys taking today's women seriously? It doesn't make any sense. It's one of the reasons why you're wasting time and not getting to the goals and achieving the amount of success that you should be achieving. Is because you're wasting time on these women when in reality you should be focusing on something more. Now, granted, some of you guys have figured this out. You're checked out of dating, you're checked out of all of it, and you found this out. And this video will serve as a reminder, a more detailed explanation as to why you shouldn't be taking these women so seriously. There's no need to. And so, before we get into all the reasons why you shouldn't take them seriously, let's talk about one of the reasons why you do take them seriously. You're seeking family, you're seeking marriage, long-term relationship, love. And there's nothing wrong with that, but unfortunately, the modern woman, she's so miscalibrated and feminized. She doesn't respect men. She doesn't want, you'd be surprised at how many women don't want to have kids. And then they're so quick to break up the family. It's hard to trust them in a marriage because you'll lose at least half of everything. So unfortunately, this is how they think. And we see this by their actions. They're not going to overtly say this. They'll say, yeah, I want to get married one day and have kids, and she'll be 42, like Cheyenne Bryant, Dr. Cheyenne, fake ass doctor. Anyway, let's get into all the reasons why you shouldn't take these women so seriously. And before we get into that, just hit the like button, comment your thoughts as we go along in the video. Women are some of the biggest time wasters on the planet. The biggest time wasters. I mean, where do we begin? Guys, some of you guys have dealt with this. You'll go on dates or you'll deal with these women and she'll string you along and act like she's interested, and all the time she's not. She just loves fondling you and teasing you, and she just wants the attention. Some of these women, they'll go on dinner dates. They'll convince you to go on dinner dates just because she wants a free meal. She hadn't had sushi in a while. She hadn't had steak in a while. And so she manipulates you into thinking and running her, doing what she wants to do, which is get a free meal sometimes. And you fall for it. And you feel like you've wasted your money and your time. And you did, because she's a time waster. Women will go on dates just because they need the attention, they need to get out and socialize. She's bored. And so women waste time. So this is no joke. Meanwhile, she's wasting your time. And after that date, she took the leftovers and brought it back to her sneaky link and effed him and sucked him off and gave him your leftovers that you paid for. It's a sick game out here. Why are you taking them so seriously? You tell me. You tell me. Anyways, they sit around and watch mindless things that have no value bringing to them in their daily lives. You're just sitting around watching Netflix, eating ice cream, or drinking wine. They go to work, they want to get to the bag and get to the money, but they just work their 8 hours and come home and waste time. It's ridiculous. They sit around and talk about drama with each other, which doesn't help them, doesn't help anybody. They're wasting time. So why are you taking them so seriously? Explain to me. Women are huge distractors and detractors from your goals. See, women are naturally parasitic by nature. When she gets into trouble, when she needs a solution, when something wrong goes into her life, she blames a man, she finds a way to manipulate a man and help her get out of whatever situation she needs. She tries to manipulate you and get you to help her out of the mistakes she's created. And so women, like I said, women are naturally parasitic. So she's going to drain you of your money because they need experiences, they need dates, they need gifts, they want houses, cars. Excuse me. They're going to drain your energy, whether it's sexual energy. It takes a while, it takes a good amount of energy to blow her back out properly and do all the aggressive things that she likes in the bedroom. But she could take your physical energy, your mental energy. Listening to her irrationality is draining you. They're energy vampires. Drain you for your physical labor. She needs you to help move different things. She needs attention. She needs compliments. She needs to be heard. She needs emotional support. She needs physical touch. She needs that. Validation. And then she's going to distract from your time. She wants to go out somewhere else at a winery, wherever. Meanwhile, you're trying to get your money up and get to the next level, and she's distracting you from doing that. You'd rather spend that extra 3 hours working on what you need to work on so you can get to where you need to get. And women will do this in relationships. They'll do this while they're single, with talking to multiple guys. So none of you guys are excluded from that point. So just keep that in mind. The next reason why, one of the biggest reasons why you should not take these women so seriously, you need to put them in their proper category, which is third, fourth, and fifth in your life. And I'm not saying eliminate them entirely. That's be stupid. We're not monks here. We're not, trying to be a priest and be celibate our entire lives. So you put your goals and self-improvement in front of them, and then naturally they will come along anyways. This is not new stuff, but one of the biggest reasons why you shouldn't take them seriously is because women are extremely fickle. They ghost. You'll be thinking that everything's going fine, and then she'll just disappear. Oftentimes because she met another guy. She's more interested in him that day. Or the ex hit her up that she's always been in love with. Women are flaky. She'll cancel 2 hours before the date. She'll cancel the day of the date. She won't even show up for the date. Don't keep their word. They're always going to find a creative way to blame you. Not accountable. And so it's starting to make, hopefully, as we get further into these points, it's starting to make sense as to why you should not make a huge priority out of these women, these today's women. And plus, her emotional roller coaster, irrationality, chaotic nature gets her to do these things. She'll love you one day and then she'll hate you the next. And then, when you're up, she'll love you. When you're down, she'll leave you. And hell, women are so sporadic these days and irrational. She'll leave you in the good times and she'll leave you in the bad times too. So there's nothing keeping you safe from her leaving. There's all different kinds of avenues and different propaganda messages that she's receiving all the time through these text messages, or men through text messages, DMs, social media, her friends teaching her feminism, and her receiving it through these Call Her Daddy podcasts and everything. So I apologize for the idiot riding around eating attention, blasting music, if you guys heard that. But they're fickle in every sense of the word. So again, why are you taking these women so seriously? There's no need to. They don't even trust themselves. They don't even take themselves seriously. So why are you? That's my video. Don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel if you guys like my content that I produce on a consistent basis. I appreciate you guys watching to the end. You guys have a good day, good week. And I will see you guys in the next one, man. Peace, not threes, peace.